Hello everyone, I am Archana Mittal from GSA Education Council, and today I am going to reveal a mind-blowing Vedic metric that will help you multiply a number at lightning speed. No long calculation, no stress. Imagine solving complex multiplication within a second, faster than a calculator. Sound unbelievable? Well, it's possible with the base method of multiplication, a magical technique that makes math fun and effortless. Stay with me till the end, and I promise you will never see multiplication the same way again. Let's dive in. Base method. It's also called the Nicholam Sutra. Step 1. Understanding the base method. In Vedic maths, we use the concept of base numbers like 10, 100, 1000 and so on to simplifying calculations. The base method works best when the numbers are close to these base values. When the numbers are less than base. Now take an example. 9 multiplied by 8. Now the base is 10 because both the number are close to 10. Now take 9 into 8. 9 is 1 less than 10, so write down minus 1 here. 8 is 2 less than 10, so write down less 2 is here. Multiply both the differences. 2 multiplied by 1, that is 2. And minus is plus. Because the base is 10, 1 zeros is here. So put the 1 number here. Now 9 minus 2 or the 8 minus 1. 9 minus 2, that is 7. And 8 minus 1 is equal to also 7. So write down 7 here. Answer is 72. Take one more example. 93 multiplied by 98. Now the base is 100 because both the number are close to 100. Now take the number here 93 multiplied by 98. 93 is 7 less than 100, so less 7 here. And 98 is 2 less than 100, so minus 2 is here. Multiply both the differences. 7 2s are 14, so write down 14 here. And minus is plus. Now put the 2 number here because the base is 100. 2 zeros are there. Now 93 minus 2 or the 98 minus 7. 93 minus 2 is equal to 91. 98 minus 7 is equal to also 91. Now write down 91 here. Answer is 9140. Now take one more example. If the question is 997 multiplied by 998. Now the base is 1000 because both the number are near to the 1000. So now write down the number 997 multiplied by 998. Now 997 is 3 less than 1000. So minus 3 is here. And 998 is 2 less than 1000. So write down minus 2 is here. Multiply both the number. 3 2s are 6. And minus is plus. Now look at here. The base is 1000 and there are 3 zeros. Okay. Now we have one number is already here. So put the 2 zeros here. Okay. Now 997 minus 2 and 998 minus 3. 997 minus 2 is equal to 995. 998 minus 3 is equal to 995. So both the number are same. So write down 995. Now look at here. The answer is 9,95,006. Now take one more example. 9,994 multiplied by 9,995. Now the base is 10,000. Now 9,994 multiplied by 9,995. Now 9,994 is 6 less than 10,000. So write down less 6 here. And 9,995 is 5 less than 10,000. So write down minus 5 here. Multiply both the number. 6 5s are 30. So write down 30 here. Now look at here. The base is 10,000. How many zeros are there? 4 zeros. So 2 number is already here. Now write down 2 zeros in the front of 30. Now 9,994 minus 5. 9,994 minus 5. That is 9,989. Then 9,995 minus 6. Minus 6 is also 9,989. So write down 9,989 here. Now this is the answer. Now it's your turn. Now pause the video and solve all these questions. I'm going to solve all these questions and you can check your answers. 8 multiplied by 6. So the base is 10 and 8 is 2 less than 10. So minus 2 is here and 6 is 4 less than 10. So write down 4 here. Multiply both the number. 4 2s are 8. So write down 8 here. 8 minus 4 and 6 minus 2. 8 minus 4 that is 4. 6 minus 2 is also 4. So write down 4 here. And this is the answer. 8 6 are 48. Now take one next question. 92 multiplied by 96. Now the base is 100. 92 is 8 less than 100. So minus 8 here. 96 is 4 less than 100. So minus 4 here. Multiply both the number. 8 4s are 32. So write down 32 here. 92 minus 4 and 96 minus 8. Answer is 88. Now the next question is 996 multiplied by 995. Now the base is 1000. 996 is 4 less than 1000. 995, 5 less than 1000. So multiply both the number. 5 4s are 20. So write down 20 here. Now look at here. The base is 1000. 3 zeros are there. Now put 1 0 here. 996 minus 5 or the 995 minus 4. The answer is 991. Now this is the answer. Now one more question. Now this is 9,997 multiplied by 9,994. Now the base is 10,000. Now according to this number, the difference is that is minus 3. And according to this number, that is difference is minus 6. Multiply both the number. 6 3s are 18. Write down 18 here. Now how many numbers on the base? How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros are there. So 2 number is already here. Now put 2 zeros here. 997 minus 3 and 994 minus 3. That is 9991. Now look at here. This is the answer. Now, when numbers are more than base. Now the question is 11 multiplied by 14. 11 multiplied by 14. And both the number are close to 10. It means the base is 10. Now 11 multiplied by 14. 11 is 1 more than 10. So plus 1 here. 14 is 4 more than 10. So plus 4 is here. Multiply both the number. 4 ones are 4 plus plus, that is plus 11 plus 4 or 14 plus 1. Both are same, 15. Now this is the answer. Now look at here the next question, multiplying 104 multiplied by 111. So write down here 104 and multiply by 111. Now the base is 100. According to the base, 104 is 4 more than 100. So plus 4 is here. And 111, 11 more than 100. So plus 11 here. Multiply both the number. 4 11s are 44. 104 plus 11 and 111 plus 4. Both are same. 115. Now this is the answer. Now look at here this example. 1003 multiplied by 1005. Now the base is 1000. Now 1003 is 3 more than 1000 and 1005 is 5 more than 1000. Multiply both the number. 5 3s are 15. So write down 15 here. Now this is 1000. And how many zeros are there? 3 zeros are there. So 2 number is already here. Now put 1 0 in the front of 15. Now 1003 plus 5 and 1005 plus 3. Both are same. That is 1008. Now this is the answer. Now take one more example, that is multiplying 10,008 multiplied by 10,012. Now the base is 10,000. Now write down here 10008 multiplied by 10012. Now, according to the base, 10,008 is 8 more than 10,000. So plus 8 is here. And 10,012 is 12 more than 10,000. So plus 12 is here. Multiply both the number. 8 multiplied by 12, that is 96. And plus plus is plus. Now 10,008 plus 12 or 10,012 plus 8, both are same. That is 10,020. This is the answer. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and do all these questions. Okay, I'm going to solve all these questions and you can check your answers. Now 11 multiplied by 13. Now the base is 10. 11 is 1 more than 10. So plus 1 is here. 13 is 3 more than 10. So write down 3 here. 1 multiplied by 3. Write down 3 here. And plus plus is plus. 11 plus 3. 13 plus 1. Both are same. 14. So the answer is 143. Now the next question is 102 multiplied by 105. Now the base is 100. That is 102 is 2 more than 100 and 105 is 5 more than 100. Now multiply both the number. 5 2s are 10. 102 plus 5 or the 105 plus 2. Both are same. 107. This is the answer. Now look at here the last third question. 1006 and multiply by 1007. Now the base is 1000. Now 1006 is 6 more than 1000. So plus 6 is here. And 1007 is 7 more than 1000, so plus 7 is here. Multiply both the number. 6 sevens are 42, so write down 42 here. Now the base is 1000, 3 zeros are here. 2 number is already here. Put 1 0 in front of 42. Now 1006 plus 7 or 1007 plus 6, both are same. 1 0 1 3. Now this is the answer. Now the last question, that is 10,008 multiplied by 10,000 and now. Now the base is 10,000. Now according to the 10,000, 10,008 is 8 more than 10,000. So plus 8 is here. 10,009 is 9 more than 10,000. That is 9 is here. Multiply both the number. 8 9s are 72. So write down 72 here. Now the base is 10,000. How many zeros are there? 4 zeros. 2 number is already here. Put the 2 zeros in the front of 72. Now 10,008 plus 9 or 10,009 plus 8. Both are same. So write down 1 0 0 1 7. Now this is the answer. Today we learned base method for the multiplication with different digits. Make sure to practice with the different digits and soon you will master this technique. To help you, practice sheet and quiz link are available in the description below. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing. Goodbye and have a nice day.